Austin is known for its vibrant neighborhoods, beautiful weather, and diverse architecture. But with the city's mix of heat, humidity, and seasonal allergens, your home's exterior faces constant exposure to elements that can damage its appearance, and worse, its structure. While pressure washing might seem like a cosmetic upgrade, neglecting it can lead to costly repairs, health hazards, and diminished home value. If you've been putting off residential pressure washing, here's why it's more than just a clean look, it's essential home maintenance for every Austin homeowner. Mold, mildew, and algae thrive in Austin's climate. Austin's warm, humid environment creates the perfect conditions for mold, mildew, and algae to grow on siding, decks, roofs, and driveways. While you might notice green or black stains as minor eyesores, they can pose serious risks. Mold and mildew can degrade surfaces like wood and stucco over time, leading to rot, warping, or structural issues. Algae buildup, especially on roofs and siding, can hold moisture and accelerate material decay. These organisms can also trigger allergies and respiratory problems for your family and pets when spores spread into your home. Regular pressure washing eliminates these biological threats before they take hold. Dirt and grime damage exterior surfaces. It's easy to underestimate how damaging ordinary dust, pollen, and road grime can be. Over time, these pollutants create a film that traps moisture and accelerates wear and tear. Unwashed surfaces can become stained and discolored, especially white or light-colored siding, rough and abrasive, leading to paint deterioration or peeling slippery, especially on walkways and decks, creating safety hazards. Pressure washing removes these layers before they cause lasting damage, keeping your surfaces clean, safe, and well preserved. Clogged gutters and roof debris can lead to water damage. Gutters and roof edges often accumulate leaves, twigs, and debris, especially in tree-lined Austin neighborhoods like Travis Heights, Silker, and Hyde Park. When left untreated, this buildup can clog drainage, causing water to back up into your roof or siding. This can result in roof leaks and ceiling stains, fascia board rot, foundation damage due to pooling water. Routine pressure washing clears out buildup and ensures your gutter system works effectively year-round. Pests love dirty surfaces. Unclean exteriors often become a haven for insects, rodents, and spiders. Piles of leaves, algae-covered walls, and dirty decks offer shelter and food sources for unwanted pests. By pressure washing your home's exterior, you help deter pest nests and colonies, reduce the likelihood of insects entering through cracks or siding, and create a cleaner, less appealing habitat for termites, ants, and spiders. This simple preventative step can reduce the need for costly pest control treatments. Your property value takes a hit. Curb appeal plays a huge role in your home's value. If your siding is dingy, your driveway is stained, and your deck is grimy, buyers will notice. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, an unmaintained exterior can lead to costly repairs later. In contrast, regularly pressure-washed homes maintain their aesthetic appeal, avoid long-term damage that leads to expensive restoration, show pride of ownership, boosting neighborhood value. In a competitive real estate market like Austin, Maintaining your home's exterior is an investment, not an expense. Final thoughts. Don't wait until it's too late. What may seem like harmless grime or a bit of mildew can quietly turn into expensive damage or health risks. Residential pressure washing in Austin isn't just for looks, it's preventative maintenance that protects your home and your family. By hiring local professionals who understand the unique challenges of Austin's environment, you ensure your property stays clean, safe, and resilient year after year. So the next time you notice buildup on your siding, stains on your driveway, or slippery spots on your deck, don't ignore it. Clean it, protect it, and enjoy it.